What's up guys? Today we're going to install long wheel studs in a 1980 Monte Carlo. So, I already did one here. You see how much longer that is? Can't believe you can even... Anyways, yeah, so basically all you do here, take off your wheel, take off the brake caliper, get your favorite sledgehammer, you just try not to hit anything else, but the reason you take your brake off is so you can retrieve the bolts after, and so you can stick the new one back in. Use a magnet to stick in the back and retrieve the bolts. Easiest way to do it. Boom. Should have did that in the first place. Figured maybe they would just fall out on their own. Where are you, last bolt? There you are. Hello, last one. Okay, so look at how small that is, and that's got to fit in from the back. Look at how big the new one is. So obviously this is safer, better. You can put any kind of wheel you want on there, and you just basically line it up from the back, slide it in like that, and then straight up just tighten it on, man. You just hammer on this bad boy until she pulls into the proper spot. You should be able to feel it moving in on the back on your fingers. If you can't and it's turning, there's a problem. And when it's all the way in, it should basically be flush. I should have put some oil on there and rubbed out the debris first, but either way. Boom, there she is. That's how you do that.